Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going over how to roll or do some soft tissue work on yourself using a softball. But these principles will apply if you're using a foam roller, lacrosse ball, or a tear stick. We're going to roll the low back because that seems to be the most commonly tight muscle that everyone seems to have. And what I'm going to do is start going to the side, and I'm looking for tight spots. And once I find a little tight spot, like I can feel it's a little bit tighter out here, I'm going to take in a breath. And the goal for soft tissue work is so that we can relax, so it relaxes the muscle, and we're getting some pressure into the muscle with the ball. The pressure doesn't need to be high. Typically, the research is showing at about 30 to 50% pressure seems to be ideal for giving us the relaxation and the stretching benefit that we need, as well as causing the least amount of discomfort or harm. So what I'm doing is I'm going back and forth, side to side, looking for those tight spots again that I can relax and roll on. And for some of you, your whole back is going to be tight. You need to be stopping every square inch of your low back and taking in some breaths. The other thing that's going to be helpful is making sure that the ball isn't directly on top of the spine. I'm okay with a little bit of contact with the ball, with the spine, but I don't want you going over it to the right side, over to the left side. Roll one side, then do the other side. For other joints, that's not going to be a problem, but for the spine, I want you to typically have minimal contact with it, okay? I'm not having a lot of tight spots in my low back because I try to keep my low back loose. But for a lot of you, you want to keep rolling until you notice a significant difference with your soft tissue quality. Measuring the progress of your soft tissue is just like your strength training. When your weights are going up, you know you're getting stronger. When your tenderness is getting less, you know your soft tissue is getting better. So I want you to monitor that. If you have any questions or comments, please ask me. If you got something out of the video, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.